No one has been banned from the Stone and Digital Day radio show in 2 years. Until now. When your career is on the decline and marriage in turmoil, you do desperate and mean things.
Desperate?
Yes, this person comes out with a song called Rick James. It's one thing to say the catchphrase, I am Rick James B. But another thing to degrade him by saying, slap a B around like Rick James. That's classless. The man is dead. He's a dead legend. And because she is so desperate to be relevant again, she degrades him. Now, what's next for her next songs? How about some of these titles? Don't be a tub junkie like Whitney Houston.
Ouch! Ouch!
Gimme the Philip Seymour Hoffman drug.
Ouch! Ouch!
Or do the Kurt Cobain suicide dance.
Ouch! Ouch!
This individual might not fit our genre. However, there would be a possibility that maybe she would. And maybe we would have decided to do an interview, promote her records.
CD's albums career.
This person, in her desperation to restart her career, she uses the name of one of the greatest entertainers of all time, Rick James, to get mass exposure again. And the person I am talking about is Keyshia Cole. Keyshia Cole has been banned.
You're banned!
She has been banned from the Stone and Digital Dave radio show.
You have